I know we've talked about these before, but let's go ahead and talk about them again. Welcome to day 12 of What's in My Homeschool Classroom. My name is Rona. I'm an autism homeschool mom and an autism homeschool mentor, and here is my disclaimer. Comment sticker for a link to one of these books, and I'll put the rest in my Amazon idea list. Back when I was working in daycare, there was a lot of talk about how to use sticker charts for kids because sticker charts in general were known to be humiliating to children because they were used for good behavior and bad behavior. Do you guys remember that? Where everybody's name would be on the chart and you would have to turn like red card, green card, a black card meant you went to the principal's office. Yeah, so sticker charts kind of serve the same purpose. So we were never really able to use these in daycare, but I do use them here at home, and here's how I use it. Whenever we've used a sticker chart here at home for my son who has level 3 autism, we've used these as a map. It is a visual to show from start to end of our school day. And I know this looks like a lot of tasks to get done, but there are a lot of different ways that you can achieve filling up all of these squares before your 2 hours is up. At least we do 2 hours here at home. And if that isn't entertaining enough for your child or they're needing something a little bit different, sometimes creating a picture with stickers makes all the difference. Now this has a lot more, so I would reward a lot more stickers for the task getting completed, but it is something a lot more fun to see the end result of the picture. Take this vocab sheet, for example. For my son, this is something really easy to do because he likes looking at pictures and he also likes letters and words. So this is something that doesn't need a lot of bribery, but it still earns a sticker just the same. So we reward him, maybe 1 sticker or 2 stickers for completing everything on this page. Now, for something harder, like reading and comprehension, we might give out more stickers. We might give out stickers for reading the labels on each picture. We might give out stickers for reading each sentence as best as he could. And we might give out stickers for also answering each question. And once he starts to build the momentum, these pages become a lot easier and less stickers are needed to be given out. Here are some examples of pages where I might need to give out more stickers. Writing and penmanship and writing stamina is something that we are heavily focusing on. And we need to be able to give him incentives for completing the page. A lot of times it's write nicely, slow down, take your time, and with each sentence we could give him a sticker for this as well. Over time, I've seen improvements with my son where he understands the concept of how to do a page like this, and then I don't need to give out a ton of different stickers anymore. I usually just give out 1 or 2. Some other examples of reasons why we would give out stickers would be if we're working on IXL.com and we're working on a lot of drilling and a lot of different math problems. Those deserve a lot of stickers because it takes a lot of mental power or thinking, however you want to put it, for him to really be able to answer those questions. Math is something that is non-preferred for my son. It's very hard for him to understand. So a lot of times for each math problem he does, we usually hand out lots and lots of stickers. When we are working on homeschool here with Kai, and we're working on things that are really difficult for him to do, we practice just doing 1 worksheet a day. 1 worksheet in vocab, 1 worksheet in reading comprehension, 1 worksheet in science and social studies. And then math might be one of those things where it's a couple of worksheets. But the worksheets that I create for my son only have about 4 or 5 problems per worksheet so that it's nice and large and visually nice. Visually not distracting is actually what I meant to say. Occasionally my son will get upset and he will try to use physical aggression. That's when we remove a sticker. And then he has to work through his communication and stop what he's doing that's harmful to others. And then he can get that sticker back, usually right away. Usually he gets the point after a few times. I'm like, I'm going to take it away and you're going to have to earn it back. That has subsided some of the physical aggression a little bit, although initially the behavior was worse before it got better. That's it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow.